Question
This
1.
call is now being recorded.
What do yes? Question 1. What do parents do for their children? Yes, Harshil, start reading.
Our parents have brought you into this beautiful world, and your interest in duty in onwards them. Their love for us, their himself, they set good example. They lead us to the right path and always stand by us, whether we are good or bad in studies, ugly or beautiful, sleeves, feet, challenged our parents' love on untroubled. They
Unconditionally.
take unconditionally. They take care of us and help us to grow. They make a serve number of
Sacrifice.
sacrifice and suffer our happens as their own.
Very good. Now here is a question. What do parents do for children? General parents. Not your parents or my parents. Every parents. First of all, first thing is they brought us in this beautiful world. We are here. We are in this world. It is because of our parents. And so that it is our duty, topmost duty, upmost duty, first duty to look after them. They also provide us selfless love. They love us, but in return, they don't need anything from us. They also set good example. They guide us every time whenever we are in confusion. Our parents guide us. It is also said mother is the first teacher. Mother is the first teacher. Thus parents guide us and also show us right path. They always say us what to do, what not. They never tell us that speak lie. They never advise that fight with everyone. They advise us and guide us and provide us proper path or right path. Besides this, they stand by us. Whatever we are doing, whatever we are, however we are. Some examples are given here. We are good or bad in studies. Some of you are intelligent, some of you are average, some of you are bad student in study. But some of you, whatever is your condition, our parents stand by us. Second thing, whether we are ugly or beautiful, some of us are beautiful, some of us are average, some of us are ugly in appearance or looking, but they love us. They don't say that my son is not looking beautiful or not looking handsome, so I will not stand by him or her. Never. Third one is physically fit or challenge. Many of us have some physical problems. That might be hands, feet, other bones, mind, eyes, anything. We are fit or not, but they stand by us. Means in every condition, our parents stand by us. And that is why we should love our parents. They also take care and help us to grow. Whenever we are a little child, we can't do anything. We are unable for everything. Our parents provide each and every help to us to grow us. They also look after us because at the early childhood we cannot look after ourselves. Even today you cannot look after yourself. You need parents. Even I also need parents. And for our growth, they have given number of sacrifice in many of our families. They provide many things to you. They don't buy the same thing for them. Sometimes in festivals, they purchase new clothes for children. And they said, we have many. And they don't buy. These kinds of parents are also there. Whenever you are in hotel, they give you menu, what you want to eat. And what you order, they will take share from you. Means they will also eat you of your choice. This way, they also sacrifice their happiness for us. Thus, parents do almost everything for us. Very good. Now we are moving towards second question. Second question is, how should children take care of their parents in the old age? Second one is Makrani Asia.
Yes, sir.
Read better.
Children should show more love for their.
First question
Sorry.
better.
Yes. How should children take care of their parents in their old age? Answer. Children should show more love for them at that age. They should provide them proper food, clothes, and shelter. When they are sick, we should not leave them alone. Children should stay with them and provide them properly medical care.
Very good. Question is, what should children, how should children take care of their parents in their old age? As at the childhood, we are unable to do anything. Similarly, in the old age, our parents' condition is like that. Physically, they are grown, but strength is weakened, eyesight is weakened, and so then we should provide them more love at that time. Besides this, we should also provide them proper food, clothing, and shelter. We have also seen old age homes in big cities. That is not good. When parents look after us, take care, it is our duty to look after them when they require. We should not leave them alone. Suppose you are a little children, your parents never leave you alone. Same thing. We should never leave them alone. Besides this, children should stay with them at least some time. You should pass with your parents. Even today, when you are a child, when you grow up and your parents will be old age, at that time too, you should pass some times with them and also provide them proper care. Here is specially medical care because in old age it is more required. Of requirement is much of medical care. Thus, we should take care of our parents in their old age. Very good. Next question. What are our duties towards our parents? Bhavsar Hiral will read first question, then answer.
Yes, sir. What are our duties towards our parents? Answer. Our duties towards our parents are we should love our parents, we should respect our parents, we should talk to our parents with an open mind, we should share our joys and sir, what written?
Chorus.
Source with our parents. We should escape the advice of our parents. We should obey our parents.
Yes, very good. Now here, what are our duties towards our parents? As our parents look after us, take care of us, we sacrifice everything for our happiness and needs. Now, what are our duties towards them? Here, a few duties are described. We should love our parents, first thing, unconditional love. As our parents provide unconditional love to us, we should also love them. At the childhood, we all love, but when we grow, when we are busy in the world life, in business or other life, at that time, we cannot provide the time, but we should try to provide them much time and love them. Second thing is,
Sir, I have a doubt.
just a minute, we should respect our parents. Respect, it is the part of our culture. Respect all elders. Similarly, we should respect our parents. We should never be angry on them. We should always follow their instructions. Because whether we like or dislike, but whatever they are telling, that is good for us. Next point is, We should talk to our parents with an open mind. Means we should not hide anything from our parents. We should talk, discuss with them with open mind. We should share everything. Next point is that our joys as well as our sorrows, means happiness as well as sadness. Whatever our experience, whatever our feeling, we should share with them. Otherwise, what happen? We share this kind of feelings with others, strangers, friends, and at that time it may be possible they can take misadvantage and lead us to wrong path. So we should always take care. We should always share our joys as well as sorrow with our parents. Next point is we should accept the advice from our parents, as we have just discussed. Our parents provide us proper guidance. Sometimes we like, sometimes we dislike, but what they are saying, that is good for us. Now we can think that it is not good. Sometimes we think, હું આવું કરું એમાં પપ્પાને શું વાંધો, મમ્મીને શું વાંધો? No, they are thinking for your future, and so that for better future, follow the advice, accept the advice of your parents. Next point is we should obey our parents. Whatever the instruction given by our parents, we should obey them. Very good. Now someone ask, I have doubt. Ask your doubt.
Sir, unconditionally means?
Unconditionally means without any condition. કોઈ પણ શરત વગર. પેરેન્ટ્સ આપણી કાળજી લે છે એમ નથી કહેતા કે હું તને કપડાની જોડી લઈ દઉં તો તું મને પછી લઈ દેજે, હું તને દવાખાને લઈ જાઉં તું મને લઈ જાજે, હું તને જમાડું તું મને જમાડજે, એવું કહે છે? પછી આપણે જમાડીએ ન જમાડીએ પછીનો પ્રશ્ન છે, પણ એની કન્ડિશન હોતી નથી. આપણે જોયું છે સમાજમાં કેટલાક બાળકો છે, જેમ કે તારક મહેતા કા ઉલ્ટા ચશ્મા, યુ એવરીવન વોચ ઇટ. જેઠાલાલ એના પપ્પા કેટલી કાળજી રાખે છે, કેટલું સન્માન કરે છે, જોયું છે ને? જેઠાલાલના પપ્પા
જેઠાલાલ એના પપ્પાને રોજ રોજ પગે લાગતો હોય.
પગે લાગે, વાત વાતમાં ગરમ થઈ જાય છે. જેઠાલાલનો વાંક ન હોય તો પણ ગરમ થઈ જાય છે, તો જેઠાલાલ કઈ બોલે છે? નથી બોલતો.
કેમ કોઈ આપણા પપ્પા છે એટલે.
હા, so we should respect them, obey them. Now any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
નો સર.
Very good. We are going with next question. Kumbhani Vrutti. We'll read first one. Read question, then answer. Kumbhani Vrutti. Not there. Dhara Raisa. Not there. Just a minute. Solanki Saima.
Yes, sir.
Read better.
Yes, sir. What did the tree do each time the child went up to it? The tree said to the boy, "Come and play with me."
Yes, the tree said to the boy, "Come and play with me." What did the tree do each time? Each time when boy come, at that time tree said him, "Come and play with me." Very good. Next one is
I read, sir, please.
no one. Jagar Bhavya. How should
Yes,
the
sir.
children who have risen to a high position behave towards their parents? It is similar to answer number 2. Read.
Children should show more love for them at that age. They should provide with them proper food, clothing, and shelter when they are sick. We should not leave them alone. Children should stay with them and provide them proper medical care.
Very good. As we have discussed this answer, so we are not going to repeat it. Next question we are moving towards. It is also answer is same of another question. Write 6 duties. We have written 6 duties of our parents. Next one is Ashnani Honey.
Yes, sir.
Read better.
Okay, sir. Question 2. Write 6 duties of children towards their parents. Answer. Our duties towards our parents are: we should love our parents. We should respect our parents. We should talk to our parents with an open mind. We should share our joys and sorrows with our parents. We should accept the advice of our parents. We should obey our parents.
Very good. Yes, we have discussed this answer just, so we are not going to repeat. Now fill in the blanks. Before I start, is there any student who can read three blank with answer?
Yes, sir. I say I
I
know answers.
Name. What is your name?
Suroti Anita.
Okay, Nidha, read three blank with answer.
Okay. Okay, sir. Parents are the visible sign of God. Parents are the God-given gift to us. A mother is a living temple.
Very good. Parents are visible sign of God's love. First answer, God's love. Second answer, parents, brothers and sisters, these three are God gift to us. And third one, a mother is a living temple.
a temper.
Very good. Good answer. Now I am going to stop recording.